what's it called? Some building. Listen to how loud this door is. That's the sound of that when it unlocks. Alright, so the elevator is over here. Got a spectral alert advance. Looks like we got an Otis. Oh yeah, this is at the Ammi Hyde building, I believe. Oh my god, this is the exact same cab at 770 at the 770 building in Lake Forest. That's so funny. Oh wait, the lantern's green for up and red for down. It changes color. We'll see the lantern change. That's so cool. Very big gap between the doors. What's up there? There's like some sort of, I don't know. Back down to one. That's it.